Okay, so here's the deal. If you're a crypto investor, you need to be paying attention to the Federal Reserve, specifically on October 29th. The FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, will have their meeting announcements. And a big topic of conversation. Forget about interest rate cuts, all that stuff. They've started the interest rate cut policy change. That's in motion, okay? The market's pricing that in. The thing that you need to pay attention to is the runoff of the portfolio, specifically quantitative tightening. You see, when quantitative tightening happens, say 3 years ago when they started, this 6.6 trillion was 9 trillion. And when the Fed determines that they will run off the balance sheet, they're really letting securities expire. When those securities are expiring, that means that the banks, the banks that you and I interact with, the banks that lend and really grease the wheels of the economy, are having to tap into emergency facilities to get more liquidity. And some banks are having to tap into those emergency facilities more often. And now those emergency facilities are at, well, almost record low balances. The last time we were here was 2019, September 2019, where the famous Fed repo crisis happened, and the Federal Reserve had to quickly, in a almost confusing manner, about face and start buying, not running off or selling or allowing securities to expire, but actually injecting liquidity into the markets. So if they continue to let this runoff begin, it means that banks are having to actually extract from their own reserves in order to continue to lend. And nobody really wants that to happen. Even the Federal Reserve governors, all but one, are actually ready to quit QT, I believe. So if you're a crypto investor and you're wondering where will the liquidity come from, well, this is a huge part of it. Be sure and bookmark this video because this will be something you'll want to come back and review and remember, because this could be potentially the catalyst for what I believe to be the final crypto rally in this multi-year bull market. Like and follow for more.